We guide you through how to add a watermark in Google Docs so your documents looks professional and branded. First thing you need to do is open your Google Docs document, then go to Insert in the top menu and select Drawing, followed by plus New. Then in Drawing window, click the text box or image icon depending on whether you want a text or image watermark. For a text watermark, type your text, adjust the font size and color, and rotation to appear diagonally or lightly behind your content. For an image watermark, upload the image and resize it to fit the page. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Save and Close, and the watermark will appear in your documents. You can drag, resize, or edit it anytime by clicking on the watermark and selecting Edit. Adding a watermark helps protect your content, brand your documents, or indicate draft status, making your Google Docs looks polished and professional.